Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is the first time you've seen one of my videos. What I do on this channel is solve problems. Can you solve this problem? Can you find the blue angle divided by the red angle, as you can see in the triangle on the screen? Now we're also given the fact that a squared minus bc minus b squared is equal to 0, and I've labelled the vertices for you so that you can refer to those if you want to in your solution down in the comments below. Please share your solution if you find a different one. Okay, now if you want to have a go at this problem yourself, pause the video now. Otherwise, I'm going to show you one way to solve this problem. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's start solving it. Right, now the first thing I wanted to do is to rewrite the statement that we're given to a squared minus b squared equals bc. Okay, so we can use that in our solution. The next thing I wanted to do is to start to look at the cosine rule, because this is the way that you would label a triangle for the cosine rule. And also this fact that we're told that I've now rearranged a squared minus b squared equals bc, those things come up in the cosine rule. So that all gives reason to use the cosine rule and suggests you might want to do that. So cosine rule, what I'm going to do is I am going to write the cosine rule in that a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos, and then I need to use the angle opposite the a side, so that is the blue angle. I'm now going to rearrange that, so I get a squared minus b squared equals c squared minus 2bc cos, and then that blue angle. I'm going to replace the a squared minus b squared with bc. So I've got bc equals c squared minus 2bc cos, and then the blue angle. I'm going to add 2bc cos and the angle equals to c squared now, and I've got c in all of that, so I can divide all of that by c. Right. So I now know that my c side, the length from A to B, is equal to B plus 2 lots of B times cos of my blue angle. Right, now I need to think at this point, how could I make cos of my blue angle? How could I do that? I could do that with right angle trigonometry. So if I was to create a side here, which had a right angle, so from C to the side AB, but meets the side AB at 90 degrees, I know that cos of my blue angle is going to be equal to the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. Now, the adjacent side there is the length from A to that right angle, and the hypotenuse is B. So I can replace that with B. If I then rearrange my equation, I get that this side here is B cos of my blue angle. Okay, so I've got one lot of B cos the angle. I need another lot of that. And how could I do that? Well, I've got one right angle triangle. If I introduce this side here of length B, again, meeting that side AB, I would have another angle, a blue angle there, and another B cos of that blue angle. So I've now got two of those, and I know to make the rest of that side C, I need to add B, which means this must be B. Okay, that length C from A to B is B plus 2B times by cos of my blue angle. Okay, from there I've got another isosceles triangle. I've got one from A to C and then up to the side AB, and I've also got two sides of length B going down to B and C, not at, to B and C, and then I've got the other side of that triangle being the A. Okay, what that means is I've got this angle also being a red angle because we've got isosceles. We've got an isosceles triangle there, so the base angles have to be equal. What that then means is that this angle is 180 minus 2 of the red angles, and so that means the blue angle is equal to 180, because angles on a straight line add to 180, minus that angle we've just worked out, 180 minus 2 of the red angles, which gives you that a blue angle is equal to 2 of the red angles. Okay, you subtract the 180s, you subtract minus 2 of your red angle, gives you positive 2 of your red angle. Okay, now going back to the original question, we want the blue angle divided by the red angle. Now, the blue angle we've said is 2 of the red one, and obviously the red one is just the red one. So we've got 2 of something divided by 1 of something gives you an answer of 2. Okay, now that's a pretty neat answer for something which could be quite a complicated problem. If you were able to solve this problem yourself, let me know down in the comments below. Well done if you were, and if you got the same solution as me or a different one, especially a different one, put it down in the comments below to let everybody else know what your solution was and how to do it, because that will help out other people. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, drop a like on the video, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do consider subscribing, because I release a new problem solving video 5 PM every Monday. Thank you for watching, have a great week, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.